Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Today we going to see how to attach scan document or PDF document or Excel or any other documents in transaction level and master information. How to attach document in master and transaction, and if we were doing some payment to supplier, we send bank details. We will store the bank information in supplier master, and customer will get receipt. They will sending some document, GSTN, tax invoice format and PAN card details. We attach the document in customer information in customer master, and we get LR receipt, and we send any other document to voucher transaction. We will attach the document to voucher transaction. We go to Tally Prime. We enable the customization. Then we how to attach the document or any other files. We will show that. We go to Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, first we attach the TDL file to Tally Prime. We attach the TDL file in Tally Prime. In right side, F1 help. We press F1 help. It will show list. We come down, select TDL and add-on, and go to manage local TDL. Then you copy and paste our TDL file. We go to our TDL file. We copy our TDL file full path name including .txt, any other things. Copy full things. We will send for you .tcp. We will take full path name. Control C. Then go to Tally Prime. We here paste Control V. Then you can enter. It will automatically taken your text document, and we need to enable the load the TDL in particular company. You can click yes, selected yes. Otherwise, if you don't want this company, you will select no. We need this company document management model. Then we load the TDL for this company. Yes. Then in top list. After loading, we go to add-on feature. Click the add-on feature. Here enable how to attach document in master and transaction. Is select yes. Then accept yes. We enable the document management model in particular company. Then we how to attach the document master and transaction, and we will see report also. First we go to masters. In master we go to ledger master. Alter. We create one master ledger. Create ledger Mr. Samir. Here it will show one option, want to attach document. Then it will show list yes or no. we need to attach the document. Then we select yes, then enter. Then once subform is open, first line serial number and document name, which file we need to select this file, and document path and view. View is, if you are clicking button, it will show our document details. First we attach the document GST detail, then select file, we enter this, enter, it will open. We go to screenshot, we attach whichever file we need to attach, we select that file and open. Then you select enter, then you come to next line. If you want to see this file, you press click, it will open the document, close it. Then we attach another document, then after selecting document name, select file, then you press enter key, it will open our path name. If you have any drive or if you have any external hard disk, you attach that hard disk and select that particular file, it will taken. Then we select another one file, pan, we select Word document. If you want show the file, you click, the Word file is open. You will attach any document. You have PDF or scan document or PowerPoint presentation or Excel document or Word document. Any document you have attached, you will open, left click, the file is open, and we attach the two files in our master. We save the transaction. Then we select under the groups and adapters and maintain build is yes. Then address, we have fill the address. Then we save the information, PAN card detail you will have, provide it. Then save the transaction, save the master. If you want to see this detail, go to display, exceptional reports, go to chart of accounts, ledger, select ledger view, select, we enter Mr. Tamil, select that particular ledger, space bar, then show document. In show document, it will show list of document is available for particular ledgers. We have two document details, one is GST and another one is PAN card. If you want to open, you select the particular, it will open the document. Then next we how to attach document in transaction level. The same function is available for all masters, stock item master, group, as well as fixed items. all master is available. Then we go to voucher. In voucher we select some transaction, cash, Mr. Tamil, 100, new reference. Here in before narration it will ask want to attach document. If we will select yes, it will open on subform. We need to attach our document. Then we attach our copies, LR copy, enter. Then it will open and attach our any file, PDF or any other things. Then we go to another thing, document 1, enter. Then I attach our document, text file, document 2, enter. Attach another one, scan document, then enter. Then we say accept yes, page. If you want to see the document in transaction level in voucher transaction, here it will show on my button show document or alt 1 show document. It will show list of our document. You search the particular document, it will show and enter. It will open our PDF. Whichever document we attach, that document it will be open. Then we go to report, display, daybook. In daybook you select that line, spacebar you select that line and show the document. It will show list of document. You open the text file, it will open. Whichever document we attach, the document it will be open or selecting. For show document you will press. You will not selecting this. I will press show document, it will not display any other things. We need to select. You can press spacebar for the particular line. Then you will click alt 1 or click the show button, it will display. Whichever document we attach multiple document, it will show all the list, and here it will show the full path name, which path we will store the document. If you want to see the document, you press the document, it will open the document. Then we go to any another one transaction, voucher F5. Mr. Tamil. If you have delivery information, you fill that. If you have LR detail LR01. Sales account, save it. Then iPhone X, iPhone BQ, 50%. Then we attach the document. We attach to another quantity we sell. Want to attach document? Yes. Then we attach LR info, enter. Then we attach information. Select the file and open the file it attached. Then stock item image for iPhone select the image apple, enter. We attach n number of document, save. If you want to show the document, show document, it will show the document. You want to preview the document, you select the preview, it will show the preview. Then save the transaction. You go display and more reports, day book. We have enter the sales transaction, display, select a particular line, show document, it will show the voucher. Entry have list of documents, it will show. If you want to open, you will click, it will open the document. Now we show the document. And if you have select 2 lines, show document, it will show list of document available for the particular 2 selected lines. If you want to open, you can press, it will open. Then we go to display, account book, ledger, Mr. Tamil. In display account book, ledger, voucher also we have option. If you are not selecting the line, if you press show document, it will not display any line documents. We need to select the line. You need to select line, you press space bar, the line is selected, then you go to alt 1 or show document, then it will be display. Then you click particular, it will open, show document, PD, JPG image, our scan document image. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching our channel. If you want our new videos, subscribe our channel and click notification button and set all notification yes. If you set all notification, we update new videos, you will get notification from YouTube. If you want our customization file, please contact us. WhatsApp 938412830. Our email ID agstechh@gmail.com, or you comment your mail ID below our comment below our videos. We will send the file to you. Thank you for watching our channel. Stay tuned for our new videos. Thank you, friends.